Welcome to Calvin's Online Math. Let us look at this equation. Find x in third form. And we have a right angle triangle. We've been given the sides being equal to x meters, 6 meters, and 2x meters. So for us to get x, we're going to use Pythagoras Theorem. So according to Pythagoras Theorem, you take the hypotenuse, that is the longest side, squared, then it is equal to the square of the other two sides. So in this case, our hypotenuse is 2x. So when we take the square of that, then that should be the same as the sum of the squares of the other sides. So this is 4x squared, that is equal to x squared, plus 6 squared is 36. So we can collect like terms so that we have 4x squared minus x squared is equal to 36. So this side we have 3x squared being equal to 36. We can divide both sides by 3 so that we have x squared is equal to 12. So here, for us to get the value of x, we can get the square root of both sides, so that the root of x squared and then the root of 12. So x will be, the root of 12 can be written as the root of 4 times 3, and the root of 4 is 2. So x is 2 times the root of 3. So again, because x is a length, so we have to restrict that x must be greater than 0, so that x is just equal to 2 root 3 centimeters, or meters rather.